Here are the noting important facts and ideas about the faults and earthquakes. And then with the tsunamis. 1995 in Kobe, Japan. 6,433 people died and 43,700 were injured when an earthquake having a magnitude of 7.3 in the Richter scale hit one of the most populated places in the country. October 24, 2004, 1,500 people were injured and were killed 21, mostly elders and children, when a 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit Niigata, Japan. This is just mild compared to other earthquakes that hit Japan, but its striking point is the 240 aftershocks. Most of them registered 4.5 each. That drilled the fastest train in the world. The Shinkansen bullet train is the world's fastest train and has been operating for the past 40 years. The Richter scale is named after Dr. Charles F. Richter of the California Institute of Technology. When one of the most powerful earthquakes hit the Asian continent with its epicenter at Aceh, Indonesia, some of the tsunamis reached as far as 1,600 kilometers from this epicenter of the 9 magnitude quake. The quake struck about 7 a.m. Sunday in Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, and Thailand, which left thousands injured, missing, and hundreds of thousands homeless. It is the fourth largest earthquake since such measurements began in 1899, according to the NEIC, tying with a 1952 quake in Kamchatka, Russia. In Sri Lanka, more than 4,500 people were reported dead, thousands were missing, and more than half a million displaced. That's all the noting important facts and ideas about the earthquakes and tsunamis. So, thanks for watching.